Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the thread where you want to add a voice message. Tap the microphone icon to start recording. This engages the app's voice mode immediately. Make sure your microphone permission is granted and the correct input device is selected because poor input causes muffled audio. Once ready, press and hold or tap record depending on the interface. This initiates live capture. You want a clear first take, so breathe and speak at a steady pace before continuing. You now record the message with clarity and purpose. Speak in short sentences and leave small pauses where you might want to edit. Once recorded, use the app's trim or split tools to remove ums or long pauses and re-record sections if needed. This keeps the thread concise. If the platform allows multiple clips, arrange them in order. Otherwise, export and re-upload a single polished file. Make sure to add a short caption or label so recipients know. You finish by tapping send and verifying the voice note appears correctly in the thread. This confirms successful upload and visibility. If sending fails, check your connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then retry. If recipients report poor audio, test playback on another device to isolate whether the problem is recording quality versus player compatibility. If needed, re-record with a closer mic position and lower background noise. Then replace the file and notify participants.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.